and in this video I will go over the basics of HTML. So starting off, you're going to want to create a new file. So this is Atom, the text editor that I use. So go to File, New File. Going to save this in my tutorials folder. Gonna name it index.php. You want to name it index.php because, here, let me show you. After I name this, so I'm gonna just put some text here. I go to localhost /tutorials. As you can see, I didn't need to put /index.php, so it reads that as index.php as a main file. So to start off your HTML document, oh yeah, and by the way, you can also name your file with an extension of .html. So you can just put this as in HTML file. Save that. File.html, and you go to file.html. That file will show up. So to set up an HTML document or set up an HTML file, you're gonna need these following tags. So starting off, the HTML tag, and to start a tag like this, you use what people would call the less than sign or greater than sign. And to close it, you would do the same thing, but you would add a slash at the beginning, then type in whatever the name of the tag is. So that's the HTML tag. Then to indent your code, click tab, and then you want to indent your code when you want to consider something that's inside the tag. So HTML is like the main tag. So you want to create your head, and in the head it will contain the code that needs to be run first when a user opens your web page. So that includes the title, and this is the title tag. So let's just put some text here, and I'll show you what the title tag does. This is the title. Okay. And that's how you put the text inside the title tag. And then if we refresh this page, we have to go to index.php. As you can see where my mouse is hovering, it says this is the title. This is where the title text appears on the web page, on the tab that you're currently on. And we can just remove that for now. And I'm going to name this document basic HTML tags, which is what we're going to be going over today. And so after the head tag, within the HTML main tag, we have the body, and this is where the most important part of the code comes in. So this is where you will have your text, your links, anything that you want the user to interact with. So Now I'm going to take you through some basic HTML tags that go within the body that are important for your web page. So starting off, one of the most commonly used tag to display just normal text is the P tag, and P stands for paragraph. So open the P tag like this, and then close it like this. Okay, so this is some paragraph text. Save that, refresh the page. This is some paragraph text. If you take off the paragraph if you take off the paragraph tag, it will still do the same thing, but the paragraph tag will help you identify while you're coding what is, why it'll help you recognize what text there is in that part of the code. Okay, and so, oh no, don't do this indent tab because P is under the body tag. So if you want to bold text, then you would type B. You would use a B tag. So this is a heading, or this is bolded text. We'll get into the heading tag a little bit later. Okay. As you can see, the bold text is in bold. So you can switch. So the heading tag does the same thing. It bolds the text, but the thing that's different about the heading tag is that there's different sizes that you can use for the heading tag. So let's see, heading 1. Save that. That's the biggest you can get. So if you go down to heading 2, it'll be slightly smaller, and heading 3 is probably the right size. So as the number gets bigger, the text gets smaller, as you can see. So another important thing you would need to know. So I'm gonna add some more things inside the paragraph text tag. So I'm just gonna indent that properly. And so if you want to add a line break, which means, for example, this is the text, just pretend that this is the web page, this is the text, and you don't want the text right next to it, like right